Hey guys, this is Adam Ellis and welcome to this new tutorial on how to arrange your percussion. I call it your groove, and in that groove there is a clap, the hats and a kick. Please do not forget to subscribe. You should be noticing some flashing new animations right now. I've decided to put a bit more time into this channel and yeah, kind of try and grow it and help you guys. So it's going to be mainly filled with little YouTube videos like this, little free tutorials. There's also going to be a little bit of advertising for my my more serious tutorials, which are obviously a lot longer, more detailed. But yeah, please do subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification button. I believe it's the bell icon. And yeah, let's get to this. So how do you do your arrangement? Like how do you do your percussion? Well, I'm just going to show you a little basic way of doing it. So what I like to do is I like to get my groove and I like to put it across the entire track. Super simple. And just use my new marquee tool. If you're not using marquee tool and you're a Logic user, research it. I will do a video on it, but oh my god, it's changed my life. There you go. So our groove is across. And what I like to do now is I like to kind of just build it up and build it down. So I'm just going to show you pretty much to the breakdown. This is obviously quite simple, but you just need to kind of work out how to tell the story of your percussion. So let's think about it. We don't want our open hat because that's going to be really strong. That's the driving force of your percussion. There you go. So I'm not going to put that until bar 17. And there's no rules for this. It's just kind of telling the story, like I said. I like to use filters. So we'll put an EQ on there. Different types of filters. So what we'll do is we'll put this one like this. You ready? And then this ride will sound nice. What we can do with this one, we can filter it the other way, so low cut frequency. And then this one, let's get creative with this one. And we'll use a volcano. What you don't want to do is you don't want to put your percussion across the entire track. It's just going to sound boring, so super simple. Okay. For bar 33, what I tend to do is I kind of drop things and then I'll kind of copy what I've already done. And leading up to the drop, we can just fade them out. So we use, rather than doing them individually, we can just do it with a filter. And your drop comes in. We can just do the same thing again. Keep it simple. And then that's it really. Your percussion would then carry on until the breakdown, and then what you could do is, again, you could fade it out. This time, rather than using the percussion bus, you could do it on the individual channels. Now, you don't need to do this, but I don't know, I like to do things different, rather than just kind of just putting a filter on the bus channel and using the filter up and down all the time. I don't know, I bet a lot of people do that, but for me, there's just something about doing individual different kind of filters on different areas of the track makes it more special. But yeah, that's kind of just a quick overview. If you're a complete beginner and you're not sure how to kind of build up your percussion or where to start, as I said, you can just build your percussion up and then you can just do what I did, put it across the entire track and kind of start breaking it down. For the outro, you could do the same thing essentially. You know, you might go like this. Something along them lines, and then you might start filtering things out. So, like I said, something along these lines. You could even do a little bit of a filter on a bus as well. So you can just stick a filter on your percussion bus, and sure, you can just do each transition via one filter. For me, I like to use a multitude of different kind of ways of doing it. But yeah, that's just a very short tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe. Really important for you guys to help me build this channel. You know, if I'm not getting the subscriptions, then there's no point in me giving these tutorials away for free and give you my time, you know. So yeah, please do subscribe, share it with your friends, let everybody know that, you know, I'm doing some free tuition. This is just a basic video just to kind of get things going with the new animations and, you know, working with a really cool video editor who I'm very thankful to have. And yeah, listen, do not forget as well that I do offer a one-to-one tuition. If you'd like more information about that, give me a shout. I will put the link in the description, but it's tutorials@adamellisdj.com. Again, the link is in the description. But if you'd like some information on my tutorials, please let me know. In the last month alone, clients of mine are signed to Juve Recordings, FSOE, and we've just got news that a massive label. I'm not going to announce it just yet, but a massive label who I've been, you know, who has been a driving force of my success, is looking like they're going to sign one of my clients' tracks. So I'm so excited for that. Literally, when I saw the reply, I got goosebumps for my client. It was such a nice feeling. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. Again, please subscribe, hit the bell button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.